Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing an unboxing for Project X Zone, a new game for the 3DS. It's a strategy slash RPG slash kind of fighting game that I've been looking forward to for quite some time. I was actually scared that it would never be released outside of Japan, but it ended up being. So today we're just going to take a look at it. It is the limited edition, as you can see, or in French, l'édition limitée. Going to show the back of it here a little bit. So I've played the demo and it's a lot like Final Fantasy Tactics or Tactics Ogre type game. So we can see here in English and French. Really sorry about the quality. I'm recording this with my Blackberry Playbook, which is about one step above a potato. So anyways, let's take a look at what's inside. I was actually all excited when I found out there was a limited edition of this game coming out. So I went and pre-ordered it as soon as I could from EV Games or GameStop, whatever you want to call it. Then I got there and found out every edition of the game is the limited edition. So pretty much everyone buying this, at least today, will probably get this version. Alright, so to start off, we of course have the game. It's the same as the other box pretty much. So take a look at that in a minute. What else do we got in here? We have the Project X Zone official visual book. Nice little art book, just kind of showing off some of the different characters from the game. Let's take a quick look through it. Is it just all characters? Yep, that's basically what it is, just all the different characters. Holy crap! Frank West is in the game. Well, that just made my purchase even more worth it. Alright, we also have the Project X Zone official soundtrack with the songs are upside down. 25 different songs. Some are original music, some are from old games. It's pretty cool. And what else do we got in here? We have a Project X Zone poster. Let's put it far enough back that I can see that you guys can see this. Pretty nice poster featuring all the characters from the game. I'm putting this shit up on my wall. Alright, so we're just going to open up the game package here. We all know what's in it. Oh, there's my Club Nintendo points. Gonna take that out before someone uses it before I do. So you got your standard book. You got your livre française, since we're in Canada. And of course the game. It has that new game smell. Alright, so there you have it. The Project X Zone Limited Edition. The game was $39, whether or not it was a limited edition. So, I mean, if you're thinking about getting this game, just in case the next release of it doesn't have all the extra crap, I'd recommend getting it now. It's pretty cool. I mean, basically all this little bit of stuff for free. And if you haven't tried it out yet and you're not sure, check out the eShop on 3DS. They do have a demo for it. I'm a huge fan of Final Fantasy Tactics. If you like that style of game, or even Fire Emblem, you'll probably love this game. Thanks for watching. You guys can follow me on Twitter at Kitaro-san Games. The link will be in the description below. Please like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Again, sorry about the video quality. I didn't have a real camcorder with me at the moment, so my Blackberry Potato will have to do. It's actually a nice little tablet. You got 32 gigs, internet works good, and you never have to worry about running out of space because there's no apps.